If you want to do business with the US government and want to understand how to find government contracts on SAM.gov, then you are in the right video. In our last video, we discussed the SAM.gov eligibility checklist. If you haven't watched that video yet, you can find the link in the description and in the I button above. Now, let's start today's video. First, open your browser and go to SAM.gov. Once the SAM.gov website loads, here, you'll find the search option next to home. Click on search. This opens the quick search feature where you can enter your keyword, bid number, or any contract-related term to search for opportunities. On this page, you will see different domains such as all domains, contracting, federal assistance, entity information, federal hierarchy, and wage determinations. From these options, click on contracting. After selecting contracting, you will see options like contract opportunities, contract awards, and other related sections. Here, click on contract opportunities. Now you will see the advanced search criteria available. In the keyword search box, you can search using any word related to your business. For example, I am entering the word aircraft. Next, go to federal organizations. Here, you can select the organization you want to work with. For example, I am searching for NASA, and you can see 2 NASA agencies displayed here. You can select the one that matches your requirement. Now come to the date filters. Here, you can filter contracts using response or offer due date and updated date, depending on what you want to track. Next is the notice type section. From here, you can select options such as special notice, sources sought, pre-solicitation, consolidated or substantially bundled, solicitation, and other available notice types. You can also search contracts using NAICS codes. If you want to check which NAICS code matches your keyword, open NAICS.com in a new tab and click on NAICS code search. Type your keyword there. For aircraft manufacturing, the NAICS code is 336411. Copy this code and paste it into the NAICS code filter on SAM.gov. Once applied, you can see that the results are now filtered specifically for aircraft manufacturing opportunities. Next is the product and service code filter. Here you can either enter a PSC code directly or type your keyword, and you will see aircraft related product and service codes appear. After that, go to the set aside section. From the list, you can select the category that applies to your business. For example, I am selecting total small business set aside. Now move to place of performance. Here you can filter opportunities by zip code, state or territory, and country. Next is the contract awardee section. In this area, you can filter results using contractor awarded name, entity name, unique entity ID, zip code, and state or province. Make sure the status is set to active so that you only see currently open opportunities. If you want to apply more filters, click on More Filters and select any additional options you need. After selecting all the required filters, click on Update to apply the search. This is how you can find government contracts on SAM.gov step by step. If you found this video useful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.